And while we certainly have some April showers ahead, we're not going to bust this drought anytime soon, but just to have some rain will be beneficial nonetheless. Before showers set in this afternoon, most of us topped out well in the 80s. 86 our afternoon high at the airport. That's 13 degrees above average. No 80s tomorrow. There's our view from Scott Stadium as we look off to the south and southwest. And yes, there are still ongoing showers working across parts of the region. We'll get to that in just a moment. Currently at the airport, 78 degrees, 65 rain-cooled degrees in Palmyra, 74 there in Waynesboro, 77 in Stanton, and 76 currently in Orange. You take a look at the satellite and radar combination of the last several hours, you see the bubbling up of clouds, some of those showers, sort of like putting water on the stove to boil it, and it just percolates up. Most of this activity will kind of wind down once the sun goes down, and again, activity sliding off to the south and east. So right now we've got some showers here across southern Albemarle, out toward Keene and Alberine, and that's headed out toward Fork Union, Kidd Store, sliding along Route 15 and points south and east. Here we are just to the southwest of Harrisonburg, out toward Dayton and Bridgewater. And again, there'll still be some showers early this evening. Temperatures overnight pretty much in the mid-50s. We'll have maybe some patchy fog. Now, as we move into the weekend, temperatures here for Saturday will be in the 70s, and they'll fall once the rain starts to set in by late afternoon. It'll be much cooler as we roll into Sunday. So we'll go from the 70s tomorrow to the 50s on Sunday. We're likely to hold on to a lot of clouds on Sunday, but the rain chance is greatest tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, and really basically early Sunday morning. So as we take a look at Futurecast, here we are Saturday morning. Could be some low clouds here across the Piedmont of Central Virginia, scouring out for some sun. And then as we get closer toward 2, 3 o'clock and beyond, here come those showers, downpours, and some storms. And then more widespread rain tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. And then as we go into Sunday morning early, there's our shower chance, but we're kind of socked in with these low clouds. So kind of overcast conditions. Maybe late in the day we start to see some breaks, but winds will be out of the northeast. So that's not a prevailing wind that helps you clear out anytime soon. Actually, low pressure will be off the coast. So right now, if we do see rain amounts that go a half an inch or certainly an inch or a little bit more, that would be good news because it's been so long since we've had a good rain event. But we have a front that's off to our north that'll sink a little farther south tonight, a larger front that's out to the west, and that will sweep through as we go into early Sunday morning. And that's the same system that brought severe weather out across Oklahoma last night. We're not anticipating severe weather here, but that's part of that storm system. Temperatures right now continue to cool down, and we'll be back in the 70s tomorrow before that much cooler air arrives by Sunday. So 50s tonight, again, the showers tapering off. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast for this last weekend of April. Again, the morning hours should be very dry. Then we'll watch Saturday afternoon and evening for those showers and storms. Sunday's kind of overcast, cool in the 50s. And then temperatures here early next week are pretty seasonable. More rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe late week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Well, still to come after fleeing Ukraine.